안녕하세요. 하우 시니어 영어 공부방에 오셔서 반갑습니다. 구독과 좋아요, 그리고 알림 설정 꼭 부탁드립니다. 감사합니다.
Why are you being so negative?
Well, for one.
Okay, guys, why are you being so negative?
Why are you being so negative?
Oh my...
Megan, why are you being so negative and hostile? Why are you so negative?
Why are you always so negative about everything?
They're stuck in traffic.
And immediately got stuck in traffic.
So then I'm stuck in traffic.
Yeah, and I'm stuck in traffic.
I was stuck in traffic.
Ding, what do you call this?
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 What do you call this cuisine?
Leftover?
Popsicle.
Popsicles.
Popsicle.
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 Want to test the waters?
Just testing the waters.
Let me test the waters.
Testing the waters.
You can test the waters too.